G'day guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a Halloween shoot. While Halloween isn't really something big that we celebrate here in Australia, some people do still love to dress up and have parties, and it's a very good excuse to do a creative photo shoot. So I pretty much spent all day yesterday setting up this set. I spent a bit of time in the local bushland just near my house and found all these nice dead tree branches which I dragged into the studio. So I set the branches up in different layers so it gives the effect of looking through a forest. So I'm going to play around with shooting through some of the branches to get a bit of out of focus foreground as well as background, and also just positioning our models in some slightly different spots as well. So the lighting I'm using today is Lupo lights, they're LEDs. Lighting me in the front here is one of the super panels with little softbox and grid attached. So the main lights, which are providing all this fabulous color behind me, are provided by the Lupo Full Color 30s. They're the brand new RGB lights from Lupo. And they basically allow us to dial in any color we want. So I'm starting with this sort of mix of blue and red. And then I'm going to play around a little bit and change it up for some of the different models we've got today. So my main inspiration for this set was to create a nighttime looking shot. So that's why I've gone with the blue as our main kind of overall wash. And at the moment, I'm just sort of playing with a little bit of red accent light as well on some of the branches behind, and a little bit of kick light on the side of my face here at the moment. So I've got three amazing models. Joel, who's done an amazing face paint. So he's kind of got a red devil look. Ginger is our witch for this afternoon. And Rielle is doing a version of Maleficent, the Disney character, so that's going to be really interesting as well. So I hope you enjoy this behind the scenes look at my Halloween shoot. So there you have it, guys. That's the behind the scenes look at my Halloween themed shoot. I hope you got something out of that. I had a lot of fun creating this set and shooting our awesome models. Thanks again for watching, and until I see you in the next video, ciao for now.